In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header image to a Google form. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. So I have a Google form opened up here, and at the top you'll see a current header image. But maybe you want to refresh it or perhaps change it entirely. Well, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that in just a few easy steps. First, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a color palette. This is your theme customization tool. Go ahead and click on it. Once you do, a menu will appear with various options for your theme, including the header section where we can make our changes. Now, just beneath the header image, you'll notice an X icon. If you want to remove the current header image, simply click on that X. As you click it, you'll see that the header image disappears, leaving us with a clean slate to work with. Once you've done that, we need to add a new image. So let's click on the Choose Image button that's right there. When you do that, it opens up a gallery with different images that you can choose from. Some might be beautiful landscapes, fun graphics, or even abstract designs. If you find something that you like, just click on it. Some images might even have a slight motion effect, which can add an interesting touch to your form. After you choose an image that fits your theme or purpose, simply click on the Insert button at the bottom right corner of that window. Voila! Your new header image is now in place. But what if you have a specific image in mind that you want to upload from your own collection? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered. Just click on Choose Image again. This time, you'll see an option to upload an image from your own local drive. Here you have a couple of ways to do it. You can either click Browse to navigate through your files, or simply drag and drop the desired image right into that designated area. It's super convenient. Additionally, if you've got images saved in your Google Drive, you can easily pull those into your form as well. Just select the option that shows you your photos in Google Drive and find the image you want. It's very user-friendly and allows for lots of creativity. And there you have it. That's how you add a header image to your Google form. Customizing your Google form with a catchy header image can really help it stand out and engage your audience more effectively. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you about what kinds of videos you'd like to see in the future or any other tips you might need. Remember, personalize